म्हापशेच्या सॅम्युअल ब्रागांजाच्या वयर म्हापशेच्या एसडीपीओ आणि माहिती अधिकारीकडेन आरटीआय अर्ज दाखल करून सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज FIR आणि पोस्टमॉर्टम अहवालाची प्रत मागल्या। पोस्टमॉर्टम अहवाल दिवपाक पुलिसांक आडखळ येता असो आरोप फॅमिलीन केला। तशेंच संबंधित पुलिसांचेर व्हिडिओ व्हायरल करप्यांचेर आणि संबंधित सोशल मीडियाचेरय कडक कारवाय करची अशी मागणी सॅम्युअलाच्या घरच्यांनी केल्या। पळयात।
The Mapusa police and all, they are useless. They have harassed him, and within 1 hour of coming home from there, he's gone. He's no more because of the harassment of the Mapusa police, and we cannot trust them. They are like they will manipulate everything and put everything in their favor, so we don't trust them. So that's why we've told the higher authority, that is the SP, to take charge of this whole matter.
Okay. What was the complaint which you have filed to SP North?
What were the
points inside?
The suspension of the PI and PSI, whoever was involved in this case, which related to my brother, and also the person who recorded the video, from where all of this began. That is near the garbage point there. That person who, because of which my brother is no more. And all this, and also this social media, you know, like who have made his face, like who disclosed his identity, and he was so embarrassed because of all this that happened there. And all the social medias and all, whoever who disclosed his face and all of them also should be sued. And especially the cops, the cops, whatever they've done to him in the police station while we were not there, when they called him inside and all, we don't know anything. And he was like, he was so good before, and after coming back from the police station, he was like you know, he was not showing it, but we could like sense it. He was
How he was treated inside the police station for the full day?
He was treated ruthlessly, like worse than a criminal. They had no feelings like for us, you know. They treated us like dirt, worse than dirt. Like they had, you know, we were like so helpless there. We knew nobody, and we were like and that was like the first time when we entered a police station, and we didn't know where to go, who to go, what to ask. And they were like, they just I don't know, they just took us for a song and for a joke or what, I don't know, but it wasn't right whatever they have done. That we want justice for my brother, that we want this matter to be taken care by this SP. And we don't want any Mapusa police involvement in this matter, because they are not to be trusted.